Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you could be notified of more videos. And today, this evening, I'm in New York, so it's in the evening right now. And I wanted to come on, and I'm making a juice, a very liver healthy juice. So I'm going to go over the ingredients of this lovely liver healthy juice. The ingredients that I'm using is some cabbage. I'm not really that big on using cabbage that often, but it's definitely really nutritious. I will be sure to leave information in the description, of course. Cabbage, this is about a whole cabbage right here. And I'm also using some parsley. I'm using a handful of parsley, and I will put the amount of servings in the description as well. I'm using some lettuce, and I'm also using some celery. Using some grapefruit and some apples and lemon and ginger and turmeric. So let's juice this up. First, we're going to take some of the softer greens, and then I'm going to take the lemon, and I'm going to take some of the apple, and I'm going to take some of the cabbage. I'm going to juice this up. I'm thinking this is probably going to make about 32 ounces. I'm thinking. Let's see how much it makes. Okay, so now I'm going to put some more fruits and veggies in here. I'm taking some of the cabbage, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of turmeric and ginger in there. Alright, so now that is our second go of putting our fruits and veggies in here. We have about 15 ounces so far. So we're getting there, and it smells good. I smell the ginger. It smells good. I love the smell of ginger. All right, we are getting somewhere. How much do we have so far? We have about 20 ounces. Ooh. Okay guys, so I am going to go ahead and finish this lovely juice that I'm having. And yes, and I'm always miss my divines, and I will probably be back very, very soon. Yeah, I'm about to get up and make some more juice. I'm going to make some watermelon juice. I'm really excited that my boopy is drinking more juice, so I'm running with that. And yeah, so I definitely want to make him some watermelon juice, and then I am going to rest. So as always, remember to be true to yourself, be well, be peace. Until next time, peace divines. This is really good. You can definitely add a little more apple if you want to, but I love it. It's really good. Peace divine.